Hi, my name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III, and I'm with Disability Resolution PA. One of the things I want to go through with you today is an environmental restriction pertaining to loud sounds. Some individuals have hearing issues or psychological issues where they hear a certain tone or a certain bell or a certain ringtone or whatever. For example, a woman that might have been raped and she had a ringtone that the rapist basically had. It went off while the action was occurring, and therefore, if something's similar to that sound, she basically can't do it. For those types of situations, you have to go forward and look at those types of jobs that are available in the market and say, okay, can this person do these sort of jobs? And if they have too loud of a sound or a similar sound that causes, affective mental disorders, things like that, is the claimant likely to go forward and be able to do these jobs? Are they going to be off task? Are they going to become aggressive? Things like that. Your attorney should be able to explain more. My name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, and you have an absolutely wonderful day. And remember, by the time you watch this video, the information may be old, so give me a call. And also remember, at the end of the day, if you have a unique question for your unique claim, give me a call and I'll walk you through it. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.